Band. St. Augustine Band was established in late September 1986 under the management of Maestros Nestor Gonzaga, Renato Broas, Marcelino Morris, and Felix Morris. Initially, it was named Banda Soriano in the late 1970s, then changed it to St. Anthony Band of Tansa, providing services from the 1970s to 1983. It is now the St. Augustine Band Association of Tansa, Cavite, with 130 members under the new management of Maestros Judny Benbiaje and Kristen Joy Gonzaga, and officer in charge, Mr. Rolando Archalan. Mr. Frederick Polido serves as band president. The band's name is taken from the patron saint of Tansa, Cavite, St. Augustine. Achievements: 2024 3-feet champion, Rosario Town Fiesta 2024. Hall of Fame, Bailen Town Fiesta 2024. 2023. Back-to-back champion, Rosario Town Fiesta, Hall of Fame, Bailen Town Fiesta 2023. Ay, kayo na. 2022, Best in Marching, Rosario Town Fiesta, third place, Majorette Exhibition. Okay, 2020, Line Battle, Best in Trumpet Line, Darling of the Crowd, si Nesty Tamio, first runner-up, Most Disciplined Band. 2019, Bailen Town Fiesta 2019 Band Drill Competition, second runner-up, Best in Color Guards, first runner-up, Best in Group Majorette, first runner-up, Best in Band Drill. Bailen Town Fiesta 2019 Band Parade Competition, Line Battle, Best in Bass Line, Darling of the Crowd, Joanna Marie Bernarte, first runner-up, Best in Solo Majorette, Jessa Ledesma, first runner-up, Most Disciplined Band. Ay, nakakapagod basahin ng achievements nyo. Palakpakan natin ng St. Augustine Band! Ayan, champion sa atin to last year, brother? Ang tanong, sila pa rin ba ang itatanghal na kampiyon ngayong taon? Ayan, parang pamilyar yung kanilang tinutugtog. Dami yan.
Cinema Festival.
Ang dami nila. Parang mga kababayan ng St. Augustine Band. Maraming salamat, St. Augustine Band. Huwag na po kayong lumabas. Oo, sila na po yung huli sa mga banda na magpapakitang gilas at kalahok para sa paligsahan ngayong taon, ang St. Augustine Band. Dito po raw kayo sa gilid, doon sa bigyan daan po natin ang ating mga banda, ano ho? Dito po, masasagi po kayo riyan. Solid ang sounds dito, solid. Bigyan daan po natin yung 11 banda pa na papasok. Ano ho? Ayan pong lugar na yan, dito sa may gilid ng basketball ring. Diyan sila papasok. Maraming salamat sa mga kapatid natin sa Eagles sa kanilang pagmementina bilang marshals. Papasok na po ang 11 banda pa. Bigyan po natin ng daan.